it do, YouTube family? Your boy is back with another video, and man, you guys haven't seen this one in a while, have you? It is coming along, man. I actually had to come here to get measurements for these custom door panels that I'm having made, but in the meantime, I thought that I would make a quick video in regards to the Chevelle, because you guys haven't seen it in a while. I actually haven't seen it in a while, so this is the first time I am seeing this, and in the current state that it is, and I'm seeing this for the first time, and you guys are seeing this for the first time. So as you can see, lots of work has been done to this car. It's looking great, and I'm glad I brought it to my boy, because he's doing great work. You know, he has a full-time job, you know, he has a family and everything, but he's taking the time for me to get it done on his end too. So, but as you can see, door panels, front fenders are all in primer. Some of the top's in primer, but most of it is broken down to bare metal. I think when I got the car, the guy put primer on it just to kind of temporarily seal it so it didn't rust, because it actually originally had a vinyl top. So I probably shouldn't be touching that. It actually had a vinyl top on it, and there was no rust on it, but he wanted to just kind of spray some primer on it just to kind of keep it good. Pretty much everything is bare metal, and that's the way that my guy does it. He sands it down to bare metal, gets it as straight as possible, and man, just puts in the work. So I know down here was a little bit rusted. I think he is in the process of fixing this. He's gonna cut this whole piece out, and this was damaged down here, so he's gonna cut this piece out and just put a new piece in. I'm actually going to probably shave these rear side marker panels. I don't really care for them too much. I just decided, told him just to kind of forego with those and just take them off. Now this panel here, I guess, was not good at all. When I came here one time, he had it already cut off. You know, he actually sanded it down to bare metal, and there was like little pinholes in it. So either they were rusted out or somebody just did a nasty patch job over the work. And so we actually got a new rear quarter. He put that on. This whole kind of package tray area from, like, I think they call it trunk to rear package tray piece, this is new. So this is all new. There's another piece of it over there. I don't think he's going to use that piece, because that piece is actually for this right here, and this is in good shape. As you can see, he cut that piece off to just put right here. So he has it kind of all mocked up and set in there right now. And then I actually still have to give him the rear glass that I actually am going to go pick up after this. There's a local shop here that sells a lot of Chevelle parts, so I'm gonna go pick up the glass. They have a glass there for me. I'm gonna pick that up and bring it back so he can test fit, just to make sure before he puts this piece in its final resting place. It's looking really good, a lot better than what it did before. The engine, as you guys know, is already in. It's running and everything is good with that. I still got a lot of work ahead of me, but it's coming along, man. It is coming along. So, but yeah, this is it, y'all. This is her. She's looking really good. I know not a whole lot to see, but you guys haven't seen it in a while. He also is fixing my trunk. I have two trunk lids, and he is using the better of the two. And I think he did some work over here, if I'm not mistaken. I think there was some issues going on here where it was rusted, and he cut that out. But man, he's getting it dialed in, that is for sure. Also, with this car being a vinyl top, it had the aluminum trim on it that kind of separated the vinyl top from the actual paint. And I told him to leave it. We decided to leave it because I'm actually going to leave it, because this car is going to be a two-tone. Not unveiling the color yet, as we are still kind of deciding what that color is going to be. However, I know it's going to be a two-tone with a black in it, and then the main color of the car is going to be a lighter color, and it will be super dope, y'all. So you guys just stay tuned for that. We're still confirming the color on it, but it will be dope. Don't you guys worry. Yeah, that is really it. If you guys haven't seen this car, if you're really tuning in for the first time, this is my 71 Chevelle that I picked up probably about a year ago as a roller. Had no engine, had a lot of spare parts, but this car is actually 2 cars put together in one. 2 71 Chevelles combined. So the frame and some of the body is one, and then part of another body that was rusted out. We saved all the good parts, put it together, and here it is. And so now it is in the shop. Basically, my buddy's doing the work on it. I actually did all the engine work on it, all the mechanical stuff, transmission, everything. The rear end, it had a 4 9-inch already in it, and just kept that. It does have rear drums, but I'm actually probably sometime down the road I'll change that, but I'm not in any hurry to do that right now. But yeah, and this is where she is ending up at right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these panels fitted. This is why I came here, because I needed to get these original OG panels, door panels fitted, and the rear package tray. These are repops down here, but got to get those fitted because my boys, the Griffin brothers, are actually going to do some custom door panels for me and a custom rear package tray area for me, a custom rear deck as well too. So let me go ahead and get these fitted, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it right here. So man, I am glad you guys got to see this car, as I am super happy that I got to see it as well. And man, y'all stay tuned. She is coming along. I don't care what type of state it is right now. It is making progress, and I am super excited. So, but yeah, y'all, you guys stay tuned for more. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, man. The Chevelle build is coming along, and I hope you guys enjoyed this update as I'm just super excited just to get this thing going and see its new color, get it back, and get it on the road, hopefully in 2021. All right, deuces, out of here. He's cruising.